This uptrend's 3 methods rising candle pattern is now being countered at around the same range with a 3 methods falling candle pattern. Further bearish strength is shown by the Fib spiral from the peak recently being breached. So with this Fibonacci retracement channel and time zone, we can see a bullish retracement is only possible if price can keep closing in the 70s through the next week. Though if the 70s are breached to favor a bearish continuation, a more significant reversal similar to the one at the start of the year could form. Given conditions where price stays over 68 and gradually goes neutral to bullish along the incline of the Fib channel's lower boundary, heading into the 2 to 3 interval of the Fib time zone. Speaking of channels, the strong trend for gold got even stronger following this break of its recent upward channel, surpassing the significant 2800 barrier, which is further emphasized by the close grouping of 2 Fib levels. So after the bullish start to February, bullish momentum could begin to slow down further into the 8 to 13 Fib time zone interval, as the chart could begin to have a minor correction to settle into the more moderate incline of the Fib channel heading towards the 2900s. This is corroborated by Bollinger Band's %B values well above 0.8. If values stay at or above 0.7, the larger uptrend could still be intact. Anything lower, then we can start to look at bearish scenarios more seriously. For more on the charting methods used, gold, and these other charts, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.